Hello, I'm Dr. Deena Stacer, the doctor that makes house calls. I have a PhD in psychology and a license in real estate, and I work in San Diego County helping buyers and sellers with their real estate goals. Today, I wanted to share with you real estate strategy and psychological strategies to help you reduce stress and avoid paying extra taxes. The strategy we'll talk about today is, should I gift my home or create an inheritance for my children? This is a tax alert. A father deeds his home and increases his daughter's taxes. So Frank is an elderly father and he deeds his home to his daughter Charlotte. He wanted to make sure that she received his home after he passed away. Frank continued to live in his home and to maintain it while he was still alive. Neither Charlotte or Frank realized that transferring the title of his home to the daughter, or even to anyone else, created a significant tax impact for her when she sold his home. When Frank gave Charlotte his home, he gave her the tax basis of his home. Well, tax basis means that you use the price that Frank bought the home for originally as the basis. So let's say he paid $20,000. When Charlotte sells her dad's home in the future sometime, her gain on the home will be the difference between the original sales price of $20,000 and the current market price of the home, which let's estimate is $500,000, minus the cost of sale. And let's say that the cost of sale to sell dad's home is $50,000. So let's take $500,000, which is what Charlotte sells dad's home for, minus $20,000, Frank's price of the home when he bought it, and you get $480,000, which is the gain that Charlotte has on the house. Take away the cost of the sale, let's say it's $50,000, and the net is $430,000. So the difference, or the gain, is $430,000. Charlotte will need to pay taxes on that amount. Yikes! Is there a better way for Frank to ensure his daughter gets his home? Absolutely. Frank can create an estate plan where Charlotte will inherit his home at his death. Frank has now created a way to use a cost basis instead of a tax basis, which is the value of the home stepped up to the current fair market value of the home. In other words, Charlotte inherits the home at the current value it would sell for of $500,000. Charlotte's cost basis is now $500,000, and the gain on the property would be zero. Charlotte does not have to pay taxes on a gain of zero, does she? There's usually a smaller tax consequence on a home when someone inherits it rather than is deeded it. Now, here's where the psychological strategy comes in for everyone involved. Frank is totally relieved because he knows his daughter will get his home without paying extra taxes. And Charlotte, she's free to enjoy her time with her father without dreading a large payment of taxes on the inheritance when she sells the home. However, if Charlotte decides to wait before she sells her dad's home because she lives in it or she rents it out, she will need to pay the difference on any gains she earns when she sells it. For example, maybe she waits for 5 years and then sells the home and it's now worth $550,000. That is the difference that she needs to calculate for paying taxes. I am not a tax expert or an estate planning attorney. I highly recommend you consult one in order to determine your best financial and tax options. I can also refer you to a great professional who can help you if you don't know one. If you are thinking about selling your home instead of leaving it to your family, Talk to me about your costs of sale and all of the psychological real estate strategies you should be applying to get more value out of your home when you sell it. To find out what your home is worth, you can go to valuemyhomenow.com. Input your address and you will get the current range of your value instantly. If you have any questions about home ownership, buying or selling real estate in San Diego County, feel free to contact me to answer your questions. And if you need a referral to buy or sell a home in other parts of the country, I will be happy to refer you to an agent who can serve you. I look forward to helping you with your real estate goals.